Hey everyone, Tony here. Got another video for you today on Ripple. So there are rumors swirling around in the crypto industry and market that XRP is going to be listed on Coinbase soon, which is great news. And I've got some actual facts to support that. Now, obviously, some of this is speculation, but trying to put the pieces together. And also want to talk about Ripple's, the XRP's price surge today. If you guys have been following the market today was a really heavy bullish market today. And we saw XRP spike a bit, close to 50 cents. And what I expect will happen with regards to the price once it gets listed on Coinbase. So let's quickly take a look here at CoinMarketCap. Currently, Ripple is at 36 cents. And we saw today, let me go here to the daily chart. We saw a spike. Looks like here on CoinMarketCap is showing a cap of around 43, 44 cents. But on other exchanges, we saw close to 50 cents. I think Bitfinex. So definitely a great sign for Ripple. And obviously you have your price correction here. So we'll see, as far as the next kind of level of where Ripple tends to stay stagnant. So, over the past months, it's been like in the 20s, hovering between 23 cents, 22, 25, and so forth. So maybe now it crosses over to that threshold of 30 cents and then slowly increase, 40, 50, and so forth. And if you know about Ripple and you've seen some of my other videos on my thoughts, just my opinion that I believe Ripple, the company itself, and the banks that are currently working with it are keeping the price stagnant as best as possible as they can, because I know a lot of the banks that are partnered with them are actually testing testing XRP as well as RippleNet. So I believe there's some stability that they're keeping there with regards to testing out the transfer of funds using XRP. So definitely a good sign. So why do I think that Coinbase will be listing XRP soon? Well, Miguel Viaz. Miguel, let's pull up his full profile here. He's the head of XRP markets at Ripple. And he tweeted on December 8th in response to Coinbase's announcement to investors to be careful with investing. Don't invest foolishly. Only invest what you can afford to lose and so forth. He actually tweeted what they posted about investing responsibly and thanking them and complimenting them. So saying crypto can be noisy and frustrating, even maddening at times, but it's filled with solid people. Thank you, Coinbase, for doing it right. Why would someone at Ripple go through that effort to kind of call out Coinbase and compliment them in that way? I'm sure they're working on listing, if they weren't working on listing XRP. So Miguel is, once again, the head of XRP markets at Ripple. Now, something else, and this is not really new news, but this guy, if I can pronounce his name correctly, Emery, I'm not even going to try to pronounce his last name, but his first name is Emery. He's business development at Coinbase. Now, he started at Coinbase in June, but look at his work history here. He worked at Ripple for about 3 months, but still having someone from Ripple, an actual cryptocurrency, on board on a cryptocurrency exchange is absolutely helpful. So just once again, putting the pieces together and what's going on here. There's no smoking gun saying, well, yes, this is going to happen, but I believe it will, that Coinbase will start listing XRP soon. So as you guys know, Coinbase is the largest and most trusted crypto exchange. Currently, you can only buy 3 cryptos: Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin. And Litecoin CEO recently mentioned that in an interview that they will be adding new cryptos in 2018. And along with that, let's say Coinbase adds XRP, and as well as the recent news of Ripple fulfill their promise of locking up 55 billion XRP. You guys can read about that just to for supply predictability. You guys can read through that on their website. They fulfill their promise. And with it getting added to Coinbase, I think this will help the price to absolutely surge, because Coinbase, I mean, the numbers are insane at the amount of people that are joining daily, hundreds of thousands of people. And just recently, I did a video on this where the amount of accounts or users on Coinbase is higher than that of Charles Schwab, so which is insane. So I believe the price will surge to $1 as soon as Coinbase lists XRP. What we saw with Litecoin, when Litecoin was, in the $2 or so, $4 range, when Litecoin got listed on Coinbase, it grew significantly. I believe it went to like $20. So I'm expecting a growth, a significant growth for XRP when it gets listed on Coinbase, and I believe that's soon. I believe that could happen as early as Q1 of 2018. Maybe we get a Christmas surprise, and maybe it happens before the end of the year. But I think definitely for sure early 2018. And I believe the price will surge to $1. And depending on how many more banks come on board with Ripple, and more relationships that they built. For example, just recently they announced a partnership with American Express, which is huge. And depending on who else comes on board, but I know they are working hard. I have faith in the team there and the technology, and I believe this is one of those cryptos that has lasting potential because it's specific to the banks. So for example, for us as as normal folks, consumers and so forth, I believe Bitcoin and Litecoin have lasting potential because we can use that to send each other funds and transact and so forth. And XRP specifically for the banks and transferring payments and money globally. So not just the US, but globally. So this is going to be huge once it starts rolling out, and banks, some banks have already come out and said it saves them time and money with remittance fees and so forth. And something to keep in mind, XRP is for the long-term hold. A lot of people get frustrated because they're like, why isn't XRP going crazy? IOTA has passed it and so forth. But what they don't understand is what Ripple is trying to achieve. And and this just goes back to my theory of, just my opinion, that they're somehow controlling the price, trying to keep it stagnant as possible. And over time, we'll see solid growth slowly, not just, kind of what happened with Litecoin today. I don't think those type of things are going to happen with XRP because the banks need some sort of stability when transferring funds. So I absolutely am holding for the long term. Ripple XRP is pretty much the bulk of my crypto that I hold. I obviously hold, like I mentioned in my other videos, Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, and a few other altcoins, but Ripple, I believe, has an amazing future ahead. And I can't wait. I can't wait to cash in and make some significant money here. But that's what I think, guys. I believe XRP is going to get added to Coinbase soon. The price is going to skyrocket. When I say skyrocket, in relation to XRP's the nature of how XRP has performed on the market, it won't be going to 300 overnight or anything like that. But I believe breaking down certain resistance and barriers, and we're going to see a steady growth as more banks come on board, more relationships are built, and I believe Coinbase will give it that boost because of the volume of people that are buying crypto there and trading and so forth. So would love to hear what you guys think. With the potential of, I shouldn't say potential. I believe it's going to be added with just following the breadcrumbs here. What do you guys think about this? With XRP being added to Coinbase next year, early next year, hopefully, and also the price surge that took place on this bullish Tuesday. We'd love to hear your thoughts and comments. Leave them in the comment section below. If you like this video, please thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel for more videos on Ripple and other cryptocurrencies. Talk to you guys later.